It's been an incredible experience. It's been way out of my comfort zone, and it's been good to give myself a challenge. There's a really nice bunch of people been here. The teachers have been incredible, Shiva and Michelle, and I've learned so much. Physically it's been really challenging, but overall it's been a fantastic experience, and I'm really glad that I did it.
We learned so much. I learned so much about pranayama, about meditation, about myself. Just do it for yourself. Take this time for yourself and do it. You will really enjoy it. Something will change in your life for sure. And yeah, it was an amazing experience.
It's amazing experience. Michelle and Shiva was a very good teacher. He gave us so much. It changed my life. It's a beautiful moment. It's a big adventure during 1 month, and we are always like all with family. And we learn so many things. We have so many classes, so interesting, and it's very passionate. So, Namaste, it was beautiful adventure.
A really intense experience and a very nice one, and I learned a lot about me, and I'm feeling very grateful about the teacher and the group that they accept me to be part of the amazing experience. So thank you.
It was a very deep learning experience, and with the guidance of these wonderful teachers, they really helped bring the best out of us. It brought us to another level in our knowledge of ourselves, of the art and science of yoga, and how we fit in the universe. It was a very human experience in a very safe place. The food was real nice. I would recommend anybody to do it. I would do it again. I will do it again, and hopefully we'll do it again together.
I'm happy that our students, they realize that yoga is not a work out, but yoga is the work in. And all these teachings which we have from our ancient gurus, thousands of years now, they all make us flexible. Not only flexible with the body, but the flexibility in the mind. And the flexibility in the mind is really important.
My goal to be yoga teacher in our TTC was to share with people what yoga means to me. Yoga is something which is within, which is inside of us, and yoga is happiness. Yoga will bring happiness into our lives.
You are birds now. Now you know how to fly. Just keep on preparing your classes. Don't miss your self-practice. Self-practice should be your motto. Self-practice should be every day into your lifestyle, because we have already discussed that yoga is not only a physical practice, but it is a sadhana, the devotional practice towards the Supreme Consciousness.